Hi there, my name is Asix and I'll be there to guide you guys in this exciting journey. So I'm a passionate developer, teacher with a few years of experience and building projects, teaching coding. So whether you are a complete beginner or just curious how coding works, you are in the right place. In this course, we are going to talk about Python step by step, exploring its magic and how the coding works. How it makes coding simple and powerful. But before we move into how, let's talk about what coding is actually about. So the coding, it is a process of giving instruction to a computer. It is like learning a language and talking with a pupil, but in the same way like you do it with computer, because you should to talk with the computer but in their language. So one of their languages, it is a Python. So now these instructions can range from something simple like printing the word hello world to something bigger like Instagram. So now in short, coding is a creativity. You can use your own creativity and create your own product. So yeah, so now let's move to the history part. So how the Python was created and who was the creator. So the creator, his name was Guido van Rossum. He was born in 1989. So when he was creating the Python, he wasn't inspired by the snake, but he was inspired from comedy show which called Monty Python's Flying Circus. So yeah, and now let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of Python. So one of advantages of Python, it is easy understanding of the language because it is like plain English, it's same. So it is easy to understand to a new user, to a new coder. So it is easy. And the second one, I guess, it is going to be community. I guess Python have a very big and huge community where you can find any answer to your question. Like if you're stuck in a question and you are trying to find the answer, you are good to go to Google and search it, or ChatGPT. Everywhere you will find the answers. So and let's go to the opposite side and talk about disadvantages. So one of disadvantages, it is going to be speed, because in like comparing to other languages, compared to C, it is Python is slow, but because it has a GIL. So yeah, GIL, we will talk about this later, and let me check some notes here. So and now I want to summarize it, like quick overview of what coding means and why Python is such an incredible language. Okay, get ready, because this journey is going to be great, exciting and full of discovery. Let's unlock the world of Python together. See you in the next video. Thank you.